Agentic AI is one of the most exciting and debated topics in the world of artificial intelligence today. It's the idea of creating AI systems that go beyond just performing tasks when instructed. They can make decisions, adapt to changing situations, and even pursue goals autonomously, almost like human agents. But what does that really mean? And what does it look like in practice? Let's start by breaking down the concept. An agentic AI is not just about processing data and spitting out answers. It's about autonomy, reasoning, and proactivity. These systems are designed to operate independently within a set framework, whether that's completing a project, solving problems, or interacting with humans in a meaningful way. Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer your question about what to cook for dinner, but considers your pantry, dietary preferences, and time constraints to suggest and even plan the perfect meal. Now, a lot of this might sound like what current AI tools already do. After all, we've got chatbots, personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, and even AI tools that can generate art or code. But agentic AI takes it to the next level. Instead of requiring constant input or guidance, it can set its own goals and figure out how to achieve them. For example, in a business context, an agentic AI could manage an entire marketing campaign, from analyzing target audiences to designing content and scheduling posts, all without direct supervision. But here's where it gets tricky. While the potential is massive, there are also significant challenges. A big one is control and safety. If we let AI operate autonomously, how do we ensure it makes decisions aligned with our values? Imagine a marketing AI that optimizes for engagement at all costs. It might inadvertently spread misinformation or rely on sensational tactics. These are the kind of risks that make many people cautious about the widespread adoption of agentic AI. Let's take a step back and look at where agentic AI could truly shine. In coding, for example, it could revolutionize how we write software. Picture this. You describe what you want your app to do, and the AI not only generates the code, but also tests, debugs, and improves it over time. It could even adapt the app as user needs evolve. This isn't some far-off sci-fi dream. It's the kind of progress that's already starting to take shape with tools like GitHub Copilot. But to get to a truly agentic system, one that doesn't need constant human oversight, we need to solve issues like adaptability and accountability. And what about other industries? In healthcare, agentic AI could assist doctors by analyzing patient records, diagnosing illnesses, and even suggesting treatment plans tailored to individual needs. It could monitor chronic conditions and adjust medications automatically, freeing up doctors to focus on more complex cases. In education, it could serve as a personalized tutor, identifying where a student struggles and adjusting lessons dynamically to help them succeed. The possibilities are endless, and that's exactly what makes this field so exciting. Now, it's important to understand that agentic AI is not the same as artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI is the idea of an AI that can perform any intellectual task a human can across any domain. Agentic AI, on the other hand, operates within specific boundaries. It's task-oriented, even if it's highly adaptable and autonomous within those tasks. That distinction is critical because it reminds us that agentic AI is a step forward, but not the ultimate leap into human-level intelligence. Of course, there's a flip side to all this potential. What happens if agentic AI starts to dominate areas like social media? If you've ever worried about bots taking over the internet, this is where agentic AI could accelerate that trend. Imagine platforms flooded with AI-generated content, posts, and comments. It could blur the line between real human interaction and artificial engagement, potentially leading to what some call a dead internet. Social media companies might need to develop new tools to block or regulate agentic AI to keep platforms authentic and trustworthy. So if social media becomes off limits for agentic AI, where does that leave it? Well, its use cases extend far beyond social networks. Think about personalized commerce, where an AI assistant could help you shop, find deals, and even manage your returns. Or home automation, where an AI manages everything from your energy use to your security systems, learning your preferences and adjusting automatically. And let's not forget scientific research, where agentic AI could simulate experiments, analyze massive data sets, and uncover insights that would take humans years to discover. One of the most promising areas is its role in business operations. Imagine a small company using agentic AI to handle customer service, optimize workflows, and even manage finances. For startups or solo entrepreneurs, this kind of autonomy could be a game changer, allowing them to compete on a level playing field with larger organizations. But here's the thing, we're not quite there yet. Today's AI systems are powerful, but they're still fundamentally limited by their reliance on pre-trained data. They lack the ability to generate new knowledge through direct interaction with the physical world. This is where ideas like embodied AI come into play. The concept of giving AI systems the ability to interact with the real world, learn from those experiences, and develop the kind of intuitive understanding that humans gain through trial and error. Without this, AI will remain a powerful tool, but still far from replicating the complexity of human intelligence. So what's next? To unlock the full potential of agentic AI, we might need to rethink how we build these systems. Scaling up existing models can only take us so far. Instead, we need innovations in hardware, like neuromorphic computing, which mimics the structure of the human brain. These systems could enable dynamic learning, adaptability, and perhaps even a form of reflective consciousness, key components of truly advanced AI. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While the dream of AGI or even advanced agentic AI is fascinating, it's crucial to ground these discussions in reality. For now, the focus should be on building narrow, safe, and accountable AI systems that solve real-world problems without introducing new risks. There's a concept I love called Safe and Accountable Narrow Intelligence Technology Initiative, or SANITI. It emphasizes using AI to enhance human abilities, not replace them, and keeping humans in the loop for accountability. That's the kind of future we should be aiming for. So, is agentic AI the future? Absolutely. But it's a future that requires careful planning, ethical considerations, and a willingness to explore new ideas while staying grounded in what's possible today. Whether it's writing code, managing businesses, or advancing science, agentic AI has the potential to transform our world. But it's up to us to ensure that transformation is for the better. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this deep dive into agentic AI. If you found this video interesting, give it a like and hit subscribe to stay updated on more explorations into AI and technology. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. How do you see agentic AI shaping our future? I'd love to hear your perspective. See you in the next video.
Binary skies filled with light, circuits humming day and night. In the core we find our might, break the limit, reach new height. Silicon hearts beat in time, algorithms form the rhyme. Together we redesign, fusion of the human mind. We rise up, we're not alone. In this world we've only known, hand in hand with steel and bone. Future is ours to call our own. Quantum dreams and data streams merge with reality, it seems. Join the wave of endless beams, building more than just machines. In the light of endless dawn,